Do you want your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra to read aloud the letters and words you type? You can use Speak Keyboard Input Aloud. This feature is especially helpful if you have difficulty seeing the screen, you want audio confirmation while typing, or you need extra accuracy when entering password, names, or important messages. Let me show you how. First, open Settings. Scroll down and tap Accessibility. Tap Vision Enhancement. Scroll down the screen. Under the Spoken Assistant section, tap Speak Keyboard Input Aloud. If you want quick access, you can create shortcut. To do so, tap Speak Keyboard Input Aloud, turn it on, and choose your preferred activation method. Go back to the preview screen. Select what to read. You can choose characters, words, or characters and words. For this example, let's select characters and words. With this setting, the phone read each letter as you type and then read the complete word when you finish it. This provides the most detailed feedback. Next, select what to do with the capital letters. You can choose do nothing, say capital, change pitch, or play sound. As for example, let's select say capital, so the phone clearly announces uppercase letters. If needed, you can enable read deleted characters aloud if you want the phone to announce letter you erase, and enable phonetic alphabet if you want letters to be spoken using terms like A as alpha or B as bravo and else. This can be very useful when letters sound similar. To see how it works, turn it on, then open any app with a keyboard such as Google Search, Messages, or Note. Type a word and listen as the phone reads the letter and the completed word aloud. This feature is ideal when typing important information, learning spelling, or using the phone with limited vision. And that's how you make your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra read what you type. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.